Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to implement Lottie animations. So not to say much, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you do is go to your activity where you want to add the Lottie animation. For this sample project I've got the main activity right there. I've added a linear one, linear vertical, and made it view parent. Then we can also make it center. Let's put our Lottie library there. So what this does is it initializes the XML as well. So in this tutorial I'm going to cover both initializing with XML and using code. So let's go with XML method. The first thing we need to do now is download our animation. Let's open our browser, then go to lottiefiles.com, or you can go to any other site where you know which has Lottie animations, but for this tutorial I'm using Lottie files. There are a lot of Lottie animations here that you can choose from. So you can use the search to search for animations. I've already found what I need, so I'll just download that. Okay, download your animation. Once it's done downloading, go back to your project, go to menu, then assets. In assets we're going to import the animation we just downloaded. On the top right, click there, then go to downloads folder. You should take note of the name of the file you downloaded, and so that you can find it. Okay, so mine was 8359 loading animation. No, it was actually 5137 message notification. Okay, let's choose this. We choose our JSON file. Then we have to rename it just to make the name shorter for us to easily remember. Let me call it notif, then save. So now we go back to our view editor. Then the simplest way to get this done is just inject, then change your file to the Lottie animation file name, notif. So here you input the name that you named your JSON file and save. Let's run this. Open. There we go. We have our Lottie animation and it's running. So this Lottie library has got a number of parameters that you can configure, but for this tutorial I will not tackle the parameters. Now let's also look at how to set it up using code. Okay, let's undo this and put back what was there, your file. Okay, so let's set it up using code instead. Find your Lottie blocks. There you go. Set animation. So drag the set animation block and let's repeat count. Let's add one there. Repeat one. Then play animation. Then we drag the library onto that by dragging the object view there. Then here we put our JSON file name with its extension notif. Okay, let's run this. Open. There we go. Our Lottie animation is running. Okay, so this is all about Lottie. You can explore the parameters I mentioned earlier on the BNB's website or on Lottie files.